Yo, what up guys? It's Tristan Lady and we're back with another video. Today we got kind of a different unboxing and review on like styling and stuff. But before we get into that, if you're new, like and subscribe. I never said this, but I'm starting to realize how important it is. Turn on post notifications. That way y'all know when I be posting. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym, so like I just got the gym fit on. Almost swap out this shirt. It's like, I ain't gonna lie, it's too tight to look in because we're maxing out today. But then I got the most comfortable shorts ever on. Yeah, because I really like those flip. I got my mom's for getting me those for Christmas. But so I don't know if y'all recently knew, like about 2 to 3 months ago, I picked up my first pair of docs. Like pretty late on it, but I've been wearing them pretty good. I wear those a lot, and yeah, like just to give y'all an idea, I've been kind of into more like bigger silhouettes recently, like less like runners, more like boots, and shoes, like boot-like shoes basically. But these are a pair of boots, and I was gonna give y'all the styling on these. So these are by the brand Belstaff. If you don't know, they're like a luxury, like performance, like motorcycle riding boot. So let's go ahead and get into these. They are like individually wrapped in plastic, and so these, like the retail line on these is kind of crazy, but Nordstrom actually had them on sale, and it kind of sucks because I had to get an 11.5 because they were sold out of a 12, and I'll talk about that later. But I really wanted the black pair. Yeah, so these are like a ankle, like a buckle boot. I don't even know how you describe this type of boot. The actual model name is the trialmaster. So you got your buckle right here, which these actually do tighten up and loosen, and then you got a buckle right here, and this outsole is like, that's like a lot, like I can take out somebody's head, I ain't gonna lie. And it's nice and sewed in there, and it's thick. This is definitely meant for riding. It says Belstaff England at the bottom, and yeah, it's like an all black boot. Then you got your zipper on the side, and the zippers are nice. It's not like cheap zippers. I'm not gonna lie, as I say that, I start to get it stuck, but they're good zippers. You just gotta watch out because there's like a little like leather piece on the inside where it zips at that kind of gets in the way sometimes. And also the leather on these is like really nice. Like the leather on the outside is really nice, but even especially like on the inside, it's really nice. And the cool thing is like, I just got the Wonder of the Psalm, or however you say it, from Dr. Martens. It's like wax gets all scuffs and stuff. These will work perfect on these too. But really, I just wanted to like tell y'all kind of like, if you can't tell, my style is kind of like evolving. And I wanted to like, I just like to document that kind of stuff. And I'll show you how I'll style these in a second. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut to that, like the on foot and how I style them. Alright, you guys. So this is kind of how I'd style them. So yeah, I picked up this Harley shirt off eBay. It says life begins when you get one. Talking about Harley, obviously. And then yeah, just some jeans, definitely cuffed so you can like see the buckle, because for some reason the buckle just hits really nice on these. And yeah, it just kind of covers the boot if they're not cuffed a little bit. But yeah, so I don't know, that's just kind of what I was thinking. I also had this leather jacket that I ordered off Zara, and it was real leather, but I got it in a medium because I never owned a leather jacket. I thought it would fit, and it was too small, sadly. Like, it's too tight. I can't zip it up, which really sucks because I really like that jacket. Oh, here's the back. I wish I could see all the back hit on the Harley shirt. I don't know if I got it. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. And then that's like a closer up on the feet. Alright guys, so that was kind of my thoughts on the Belstaff trialmasters. Yeah, that's the name of the model. Also, if you want to know about sizing and comfort, Okay, so comfort, they're not gonna be real comfortable because I mean that sole, but the insole is pretty decently padded, and so sizing, so I'm a true size 12, slightly wide foot, and I can make an 11 and a half work, but if you have a choice, I would say go true to size, um, especially because I don't want y'all to get it and then be like, we go set it fit and it doesn't, blah blah blah. So I would go true to size if you have the choice. If you really want them, you can probably make a half size down work. I mean, that's what I'm doing, and I think they're breaking a little bit since they're leather, but my foot is like right at the edge, just on the edge of not being able to wear them if I can. They're not crazy uncomfortable though, which is a good thing, and I think they'll get a little bit better when they break in. But yeah, I just want to thank y'all for watching. If you're new, like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. See you on the next video. Peace.